Hello guys, straight uh, on this tree where I am pointing, there are many parrots is sitting, and one of this that I'm zoomed in on. This is a parrot, and I don't know what are they doing. I think they are just feeding themselves, uh, and they're just eating something from this tree. But there are so many. I think maybe they are four or five, and they are so beautiful. And I just saw them recently, and they are just beautiful. And they are also making beautiful sounds. And the one is this, there is. The one is this, there is. And I think he is like eating from the trees branches top point. He's like, and now they flew away. The last one is that there are, I think, maybe 5 or 10 are they are 5 or 10 are they. And down there is other sparrow, and those are the simple sparrows. And the one was that, and he just make a voice sound. Those are the simple birds. And yeah, now also uh, he just makes sound again. The parrot. I'm saying about the parrot, and except from that, then there are many types of bird in this forest, this mountain. And every day I heard something new, and every now and then I saw something new, something strange. And yeah, I'm seeing these creatures for the first time in my life. I haven't seen that before in my life. The birds, the things that I'm seeing now, because now I am more into nature, into outdoor. Earlier, all in my life, I was a homesick person. I was spending time. Mostly, I spent time in home, laying down in home, on just scrolling through on my phone and browsing apps, and just watching contents, consuming. And earlier, I I wasn't that much clever and smart that time now. Now I think I have enhanced my intellectual or intellectual. The one bird is this coming very near at my, and I'm very, yeah. Now he's flew away, and the one is also is here nearby. I think they are eating bugs and insects. That's why they are on the floor, on the ground. They are on the ground, and they are just feeding themselves. Yeah.